guys, thanks for watching my Frozen inspired slime video. So for today's video, I thought I'd make up some fluffy slime. So fluffy slime is just slime with lots and lots of shaving cream. So as you can see, I've just sprayed on some shaving foam, and so I'll just mix it through the slime right now. And the idea is to get even parts slime to shaving foam, and you've just got to massage it through and mix it through until it becomes nice and fluffy. So just keep mixing it through, and eventually you get something like this, which is nice and soft and fluffy. If you decide you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and click the little bell icon so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. So I've just left the fluffy slime to sit for a little bit, and you can see that it's very fluffy, full of air, and it's gotten really thick. So today I'll be mixing in a bunch of random things into the fluffy slime. These things will include some eye gel, some old slime, lots and lots of makeup like eyeshadow, eye glitter, lipstick, lip balm, and a bunch of other random things as well, just to keep it in theme with the Frozen movie. So we'll start here with some purple mini foam balls, and I've got some purple eye glitter here. Some more mini foam balls, white ones and blue ones. These little snowflake containers are really cute. And I've got some silver scatters here. There's Olaf. He's really funny in the movie. And some nice silver star scatters. And I've just moulded some star shapes out of some foam. I let the foam sit out for a day just so that it can harden a little bit, so it'll be easier for me to mould. And now I've got some rainbow coloured star scatters. This cute little Frozen purse. And some blue and purple nail polish. Surprisingly, nail polish mixes into slime really well, and it doesn't really stick on your hands when you're mixing it through. And another purple one there. Moving on to these cute little Frozen containers. And we've got some silver craft beads. They're nice and shiny. A little bit more. This is some beautiful white holographic glitter. Got some bright purple glitter here. And some bright blue glitter. I've just got a palette here of slime. I had a lot of fun mixing this up and popping them into the palette. I just thought I'd make a nice purple and blue pattern just to go into theme. So I'm just mixing some blue and purple together here. Nice glossy slime. And the rest of the slime from the palette. And the second palette. Oh, I love that blue. It's just so bright and pretty. See some glitter in the slime there. And pop that in. Nice little swirl. So here I've got an eye gel palette. It's full of lots of glitter and all different colours. So I'm just scraping in the purple, dark blue. It's like another purple there. The consistency of this eye gel is almost like a lip balm, so it's quite soft and really easy to scrape off. That was a really pretty blue. Another blue one. That's a really pretty green, almost like a forest green. Nice little bronze one there. Just add some pink and some apricot colour. Oops. The last purple one, and then some greens. And that's the whole palette. These cute little frozen makeup containers. I've just got a nice lip gloss there, a liquid lip gloss. Nice shade of purple. Bit sparkly. Not too dark. And another one. They're really cute and they've got a nice mirror inside as well. These are some rhinestones purple, blue and teal star shaped. They're really pretty. A little bit pointy on the edges though, so when handling those you've got to be a little bit careful. And in this one we've got some glitter, some shades of blue. This one's a nice deep blue. This one's a nice pale blue. And some vibrant purple lip gloss. Nice and dark. And this is the last of these cute frozen containers, and I've got this really nice shimmery eyeshadow palette. And let's break all this eyeshadow up. We've got a nice beautiful pale green here. And some brown. Like a rose gold, this one. A nice gold. Couple of shades of brown again. And a very pretty shimmery gold. I love breaking up eyeshadow. Really, really easy to do. Lots of fun. Now it's time to mix. Let's have lots of fun. Again, what I like to do is to make sure that all the ingredients stay inside the slime, just fold the slime over itself, just like that. And that way it will stick better. I will have a little bit of fallout in this slime because I used some big beads, but that's okay. Most of it stays in there, which is the main thing. I've got the nice, thick, fluffy slime at the bottom there, which will also help stick everything together. So again, you just got to massage everything through. Oh, see some pretty pink glitter there. Just keep massaging until the slime all becomes one colour. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel and also hit that little bell icon so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.